Hey y'all, it's Girl Hub 101 and today I'm back with another video. Today was a request. I forget the name of the person who requested it, but I'll put it in the description box. So thank you so much for requesting. I really appreciate it. And here is your video. This is a sleepover period kit for a pad user. So I'm assuming this is just for one night. She didn't specify, but you're going to want to bring an overnight pad. This is an Always Infinity overnight. You can also bring an extra heavy overnight, but this is just the one that I packed. And then, depending on what time you get to their house throughout the day, like let's say you get there around like 5 or something, you'll probably want to change your pad before you go to bed, and then wear the overnight pad, and then however long you're going to be there the following day, probably for like half the day, maybe, I don't know. But then I also have two regular flow pads. These are the Stay Free Ultra Thin regulars, and then this is a Ubiquitous Tween, which is considered a heavy flow pad, and you can bring one or two of those. And then I also have 3 of the Summer's Eve cleansing cloths. These are the fragrance free. These ones are my favorite. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if you hear a little puppy barking, but yeah, so that is pretty much it. You can adjust, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about my puppy, but you can adjust the pads that you use, you know, depending on your flow or whatever, but you really only need one overnight pad, a couple regulars, heavies, or if you do have a heavy flow, then you can just bring 3 heavies, and then wipes are optional, but I highly recommend them. And these ones are really, really good wipes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I can't talk. And please leave me any requests in the comments, because oh my goodness, my puppy. Leave me any requests in the comments below, and I will be sure to get to them within a couple of days. Thank you, ladies. Bye bye.